Connect Module 4 – Searching for a Connection. CEDS users share connections around a variety of interesting topics. To make searching for connections easier, these individual topics, which are called descriptors in the Connect tool, are grouped together under broader topics we call categories. This tutorial explains how you can search for shared connections by category, by descriptor, by location, or by a simple search box. Find a connection. Topic 1. You do not need to be logged into CEDS to search for a connection. To begin, access the Connect main menu by selecting Tools – Connect from the green menu bar at the top of the screen. Then, under the Use column, click Find Existing Connections. The screen now displays a drop-down labeled Category, a drop-down labeled Location, a search box, and a section exhibiting Featured Connections. The featured connections show the 3 most recently shared connections, and the 3 connections with the most recent feedback and comments. You can either view all shared connections or search for a specific connection. To view all shared connections, click Show All Connections. A list of all shared connections appears. There are several ways to search for a connection. By using the Location drop-down box and selecting one or more states, by entering keywords in the search box, and by selecting a specific category using the Category drop-down on the left. To search for connections by state, use the drop-down box to the right of Location, and select one or more states by clicking in the box to the left of the state name. Click Filter. Any shared connections where the location matches the state you selected are displayed. To further refine your search, enter a keyword in the search box below Location and click Filter. Any connections that match the location and keyword are displayed. To search via the search box, enter a search term in the search field and click Filter. Any categories, descriptors, and connections containing those words are displayed. If you misspell a word, the system will provide suggested words for you. If you click on a category, the system will display all descriptors within that category. If you selected multiple categories, you can expand and collapse those by clicking on the name so that you can more easily find the descriptor you want. Similarly, you can search for a connection by choosing a category from the Category drop-down box. When you choose a category, the system will display all descriptors under that category that contain a connection, and all connections that include a descriptor from that category. Clicking on a descriptor takes you to a screen that displays all connections related to the descriptor on the right, and any related descriptors on the left. If you want to expand your results, you can click on the additional descriptors on the left. This will expand to show you any connections that contain either descriptor. You will notice at the top of the screen that as you select a descriptor, it is listed at the top of the screen with an X beside it. If you wish to remove that selection, simply click the X and the connections containing that descriptor will be removed, unless they contain any other descriptor you selected. If you remove all descriptors, you will be redirected to the Find Existing Connections home screen. To view a connection, click on its name. To return to the search screen, click on Find Connection in the breadcrumb links at the top of the page. This completes Connect Module 4, Searching for a Connection. You now understand how to find a shared connection. For information on the other dynamic capabilities of the Connect tool, please view the other Connect tutorials available on the CEDS website or contact us for a demonstration.